Over these few weeks, we have looked at how important planning is when it comes to migrating, brought up important questions when evaluating both where you are and where you're wanting to go, and looked at a lot of tools that can help with your migration. Now, I want to talk about one of the solutions that helps you with everything as opposed to just one aspect of the migration. TSO Logic is a solution that exists within AWS to provide insight into what you currently have and give you options into what you may want to utilize in AWS. This can be done as a pre-migration step or as an ongoing analysis to ensure that you are always running each application in the best place with the right software, even as your environment and prices change. TSO Logic provides discovery of your existing resources to help identify what you are running in your compute, storage, database, and other areas to help evaluate what your total cost of ownership, or TCO, is for various applications. We then are able to use predictive analytics to help determine the best fit for your workloads in the cloud. Using data-driven methodology and continuous visibility will help to provide ongoing insights and predictive analytics for all of your workloads. TSO Logic, as well as many other tools, can help you with both specific parts of your environment as well as full migration assistance. I highly recommend looking at what options you have and finding what will help to make your migration as easy as possible.